You ever smell something so fire where you had to check the price tag because you know this got to be a typo? But guess what? That ain't no typo, and this ain't no hype. So today we're talking about no other than Lattafa's Kingdom. So let's get into it after the intro. YouTube, what's up, man? It's your smell good partner D, back again with another video, and this is the Layered by Scentz channel, man, where we elevate your presence one spray at a time. So today we talking about no other than Lattafa's The Kingdom. And guess what? This is a Jean Paul clone, man. This is, I think, Le Male Elixir, a Le Male Elixir clone. So very excited. So let's just check it out, man. Let's get into the presentation. Looking at the box, it's a pretty decent presentation. Nice, you know what I'm saying, luxurious looking box. It's white, it got some gold accents on it, gold writing. Ooh, and that's nice. Look at that. We open it up, I think that's magnetic. Yeah, that's definitely magnetic. And then look, we open that thing up and bam, man, we got the fragrance. Got the bottle. So nice all gold bottle. That thing says Lattafa The Kingdom. So that's it, man. It's pretty decent. We got the official sticker on the bottom letting you know that it's a Lattafa. So yeah, man, pretty nice bottle. It got like some little Cuban zirconias all the way around, little fake diamonds, and it looks upscale, man. It's a very nice looking bottle, you know, heavy. Cap clicks in, you know, so not a bad bottle. But you know, we're not here for the bottle, we're not always here for the presentation, we're here to see what the juice smell like. So let me find the scent strip. Let's get a scent strip. Let's go ahead and spray it so we can talk about it. Which, if you guys seen my haul video, we did a first impressions on it, so I got a chance to wear it and be able to tell you guys a little bit about it. Yep, so and it smells so good, man. I want to say like this has got to be like a 90% percentage clone, man. Like this is so close. Cause it smells just like Le Male Elixir, like just inviting, man. All right, well, I got the notes here. I'm gonna break down into the notes. All right, so for the top notes, we got lavender, we got cinnamon, we got bergamot, cardamom. At the heart, we got sage and geranium, and some praline. And then at the base, we got vanilla, we got amber, tobacco, and some sandalwood. So that's definitely a well blended combination, you know what I'm saying. I'm getting a lot of that spice. I'm getting like that cinnamon, that cardamom. I'm smelling like that praline. Like this is a sweet scent, like very like bubble gum, very mass appealing. Like this is definitely within that Jean Paul DNA, man. Like they definitely hit that DNA well. So that is so good. So I actually got a chance to wear this, and I can give you a funny story. So you guys seen the video of the haul where we unboxed all three of these fragrances, man. If you guys seen, I had sprayed it on my hand, and man, this thing stuck with me. Like I went in the kitchen, I went to go cook some dinner. I know I had washed my hands like multiple times, and I still smelt this scent. Like it clung onto my skin, like it did not want to let go. Like it really stayed. So you know, I finished cooking. At the end of the night, I took a shower, lotioned up, you know, moisturized up, and put a little bit of this on. You know, snuggled up with my wife, and she loved the smell. But you know, I woke up this morning and I still had the remnants of of just this scent, man. So beast mode. This is beast mode. Like I was still getting like little whiffs and little nuances of it, you know, as I was just moving around this morning. So great scent. Like I said, man, this thing is definitely hitting that Jean Paul DNA. Like I'm rating it at 90%, if not like 95%, because this thing is definitely good, man. I would say when to wear this. Man, I would wear this on a date night, you know what I'm saying? Like I would wear this just on a night, just snuggling up, you know, close with a significant other. So where would I wear this? This is pretty versatile because, like I said, it's a very good smelling scent. It's very mass appealing. So, you know, this is definitely like one of those scents where ain't nobody gonna be mad at you if you pull up to the party with this on. You know what I'm saying? You pull up to church with this on, ain't nobody gonna be mad at you. I would say don't overspray this. Please don't overspray this. But man, this is hidden. So cold weather for sure. Cold weather, date nights. Like I said, man, it's pretty versatile. I wouldn't wear this to like the gym or nothing like that. Nothing where you're gonna be outside sweating. You know, so like the hot months, I would stay away from the hot months. Maybe like a nice spring night, a fall night, fall during the day. You know, just that cooler weather temp, winter time, like the holidays. Like actually, I can definitely see myself wearing this during the holidays, maybe like around like Thanksgiving, you know what I'm saying? Like that cinnamon, like it gives you like that feel, like that cinnamon, that vanilla. You gonna smell like a Thanksgiving dessert, man. Like this is definitely fire. So as far as the projection, I would say maybe 1 to 2 feet on projection. You know, after I had sprayed this on, I only had sprayed it like on the back of my neck, the back of my kneecaps, and my elbows. You know, usually when I'm at home just chilling, I try not to do a lot of spray on the front end because like my kids, they like to hug me and be on me, so I don't be wanting to break them out since they got sensitive skin. So I'll just spray in select places. Like I said, man, spraying it like on the back of my neck, back of my elbows, back of my kneecaps, just in the crib chilling. Like very nice sillage. It projects, like I said, because like my wife, she definitely smelled me, you know, at least like about a foot away, like like what is that? Like, ooh, you smell delicious, you know what I'm saying? So I think this is one to put into your arsenal. This is definitely worth the hype. I think you guys definitely need to check it out. You guys should definitely put it in your arsenal, you know, because you're not gonna be mad, man. This is a safe blind buy. Save your ducats and get this. Like, you can definitely come off with the same exact DNA, if not almost better, in the performance department with this right here. About $30. I think the actual fragrance, you're gonna at least spend like 100. So yeah, man, save your ducats, man. It's worth the hype. I think it's about as good as the original, if not better than the original, because like I said, man, the performance department is pretty good, but I think performance on the original is pretty good as well. So hey, man, you're not losing either way you go. So all right, man, so this has been Lattafa's Kingdom, man, and I think this is one of the steals of 2025, man. If you want power, you want depth, you want compliments, but you don't want to empty your wallet, this the one. This is definitely the one. And for my Amal Elixir fans, hey, get this. Definitely get this. Do not be snobby. Get this, man. You will not regret it. So this has been the Layered Scentz channel, where we elevate your presence one spray at a time. So I want to thank you guys for watching. I want to ask that you guys like and subscribe. Definitely hit that notification bell so you can be updated on every time we make a video. And hey, man, I'm gonna see you guys next time. Y'all stay fresh, y'all stay fly and unforgettable. And Smell Good Squad, drop down in the comments and hit me with a hashtag squad. Peace.